Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, we have many new initiatives that have been introduced to create a difference in the society and make Rotary seen. In this year, we have started a novel concept called the WizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, the WizBiz Talk Show is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional front. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and the Chief Coordinator of Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Our guest for the day is, friend, a Rotarian with more than 15 years of experience in Rotary, a senior Rotarian of Rotary Club of Mumbai Royals. He is not just the Karta Dharta of one club, friends. He is also one who has given birth to two more clubs. Friends, he is none other than a very fondly loved person, Rotarian KK Chaudhary. Friends, we also call him KKG. By classification, he is into distribution of ICT. Very organized, practical, hardworking, self-disciplined, dependable, and most trustworthy person I have ever met. Friends, with this small introduction, I present before you a person whom I respect a lot, whom I trust a lot, whom I depend on a lot, and I look up to him for various decisions and things that he does. Friends, Rotarian KK Chaudhary.
Thanks, Manish. I'm overwhelmed with your generous introduction. This is not what I am. In fact, you have taken me to a very, very, further away. Anyway, welcome you for this talk show.
केके जी, मैं और सुनील हम दोनों आपको बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, and it is not just because we are on the show that I'm saying, but every word that I have said over here is something that we really mean from the bottom of our heart. So thank you so much for being what you are, and this relation will always grow and prosper in time to come. KK ji, now that we are on this talk show, that is the WizBiz Talks, we are here for a purpose. We are here to create more bonding amongst Rotarians. We are here so that many more Rotarians should come to know more about you. We are also here that we give an opportunity to every Rotarian to speak to others, to Rotarians as well as non-Rotarians, about their profession, and also use your profession to serve Rotary. So, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो मैं आगे बढ़ूं?
Sure, why not?
केके जी, मैं आपको जानता हूं, मैं भाभी जी को जानता हूं, हम इतने साल से साथ में हैं, but there are so many Rotarians who would like to know you and more about you in person and your family background. क्या आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Yes, I am Krishna Kumar Chaudhary. As you said, you call me KK, whatever. Joined Rotary in 2005. I am by education a chartered accountant, but later on I moved, after doing initial practice of 7-8 years, moved to ICT business, and I think it's a year 78, close to 80. And at that point of time, ICT was in a very infancy stage in India. Only large multinational companies and large banks were using IT, computers and all that. It was much away than the reach of any general person like you and me. That time I thought that, okay, this could be a product for future, and we jumped in to that. And of course, initially teething troubles took a long time for us to establish, maybe more than 10-12 years, but thereafter we have never looked back. Coming to personally, yes, I am happily married. As you said, you know my wife Meena also, and I have 3 kids, 2 daughters, both are married, and 1 son. He just recently joined me after completing his graduation from USA, and still bachelor. He is with me in my business.
KKG, it's so nice to know so much about you. You did tell us something about your profession, but we actually want Rotarians to get bonded with each other even on business fronts. मुझे चाहिए कि अगर ये शो देख के if there can be 50 more Rotarians who want to do business with you, there are 100 more people who would like to get involved with you in business somewhere or other. I would like that to happen. So something more about your business and your professional.
As I told you, we are in distribution business of information technology. And of course, my company is 30 years, 35 years old. And we are having our presence pan India. We have about 50 our own branches and about 1,000 plus employees throughout the country. We also have our presence in overseas couple of countries as our own branches. So far distribution is concerned in computer, we are almost having distribution rights for all big companies who are operating in India. Some of them are having their offices in India, some of them are not. But still, I mean, we have relations with many of them, maybe 20 years, 30 years, even 10 years old. And coming to the business, yes, we are in distribution. So it's plainly said this is back-to-back B2B business. And we have all across the country over 8,000 partners, channel partners with whom we deal. Out of that, 3,000 to 4,000 are on regular basis. Another 3,000, 4,000 are one-off, maybe buying in a month or so, but others are buying on day-to-day basis. And these are all relationship business where the partner has to register themselves with us as well as the vendor company, the parent company, because this is the people who are in this business, they understand how it works. So the relationship is very important. If anybody, as you said, is interested in doing this business, certainly we are there to help them out. We will arrange them to get themselves registered with some of the vendors, and then the business or relationship can start. We are not in B2C market, but yes, B2B definitely. If anybody is interested, we would be helping them.
Thank you so much, KKG. Now, KKG, you have a huge experience in Rotary. You are a member of Mumbai Royals, one of the premium clubs in District 3141. You have the experience of 15 years of Rotary behind you. You are one person who was the key person, the one man responsible for bringing two of the biggest clubs in Rotary, in the Rotary belt. Now you have been given a responsibility, and this responsibility is after seeing what you have already done. You have been given the responsibility to nurture and take care of 4 more clubs, be their friend, philosopher, and guide. Yes, friends, this is the most coveted position in the district after the post of district governor. And yes, KKG is the chosen one to be the assistant governor for Vision Year 2021. KKG, आपके साल के बारे में कुछ बताइए. आपके past experience से how will you help the clubs to grow? And you are one person who is so much into increasing membership. What are your plans for that?
See, as I told you, you know that I am 15-year-old Rotarian, joined Rotary in 2005. And in fact, I became president of my club in 2014-15 when Sunil was, district secretary, and your entire team, WOW team, was there. In fact, if I look back, 14-15 was a little bit delayed time for me to become president. Now I realize I should have become earlier, but as usual, many other Rotarian also think that becoming president is not my cup of tea. I was also in the same boat thinking that, okay, why should I become president? I'm enjoying as a Rotarian. But anyhow, people pushed me and inspired me, and then I took this position. Thereafter, I realized that really I missed this opportunity earlier. I could have president, much before. The experience as president, if I tell you, as you all are aware, that Rotary is institution. You go as as a simple person, and you come back as MBA with MBA degrees, rather much weightier than MBA degree. So one reason that why you should become president of your club, that if you have taken admission in any institution, would you like to come back without holding a degree? So your presidentship is nothing less than an MBA degree. So this is first and foremost reason that why you should become a president. Second thing, that you are confined to your club membership of maybe 100 member, 50 member, 80 member, whatever. So you become friends there. Of course, you have a vast type of different people meeting on friendly basis. But that's not enough. Once you go to the district, become president, then of course you are assigned several other district tasks year after year, and then you have opportunity to meet 5,800 Rotarian at various occasions. So this is how it's going to increase your contacts. And thereafter, as you said, you can also engage with them in business, friendship, fellowship, whatever way you want to engage, you can do that. So far, this becoming president is going to be much of your personal help and also your personal development. Second thing, as you asked me, how did I, help the Rotary in the past? After becoming president, I, have that idea only. How can I develop the Rotary as well as my club? So in fact, in the year when I become president, I took my membership from 80 to 110. So almost 31 members I added. And I sponsored 2 clubs. One of them are Premium District Club. Now second in the district, it's Western Elite, and one JVPD. So altogether in that year, the growth of new members in Rotary was about 190 members, taking together of my club's increase and other 2 clubs' strength. So that really has given me a lot of confidence, and I was very happy. And then thereafter, I decided that I'll be keeping on working in this direction. And Manish, let me tell you, during last 5 years after my presidency, also I continued to promote new clubs. And in that line only, I have promoted 3-4 more clubs. I think you all know that Rotary Club of Divas was also our brainchild. And then we had, recently, last year, we chartered one club, or we sponsored one club, Rotary Club of Jewels. In fact, I'm a GSR, I'm a new club advisor of that club even today. And 2-3 more clubs like this Rising Star, and one more club. So these clubs we were responsible for bringing into the Rotary district.
Now, KK,
as yes, now third part of your question, that as AG, how can I definitely I have been given opportunity to serve 4 more clubs in this year, and as a district governor's guidance, basically every district governor works for more membership, more TRF. These are 2 major things, and the rest of the things are yes. Definitely, I have made these club presidents, and we have a lot of deliberations, a lot of meetings, and it's going on. I'll be, I have concentration on improvement of their membership. Some of them are good, some of them are not that good. And we are having the discussion with my past experience, how to retain members, how to add members. Definitely, I'm going to work some formula, some basis on which they should get new membership and retain old members. particularly in this time of, this is not a good time for mm, everyone in personal life because of this COVID. Of course, it's a challenging task, and I think we are there to accept the challenge because since my childhood, I know and I was living in accepting challenges, and I know how to tackle the challenges. Definitely, it is there. Another responsibility for me would be increasing TRF. I'm inspiring my clubs because we at our club we have done global grants almost every year. This year also we have done global grant, and next year also we are planning. Similarly, I will task I will talk to my clubs to go for global grants without any hesitation. Some of them have done in the past also, some of them have not. So I am asking them, I'm taking them for global grant route. So one side they will contribute to TRF, other side they will do their projects, club projects with global. Yeah. In brief, I mean, this is my agenda.
Fantastic. I think so. There is going to be something very special coming out of this talk show. That is that there are so many clubs with so many Rotarians, so many eligible Rotarians who can become presidents, but they are hesitating. आज जो केके जी ने कहा है उसके बाद में आई एम श्योर देयर बी many of those fence sitters who are just waiting to be pushed in will now voluntarily come ahead and take up the membership, take up the post of the president. And looking at what you have done despite these business responsibilities, looking at what you have done during your presidential year, I feel membership increase is now going to be easy because people will have a mindset that we can think big and do big. KKG, you have been very inspiring, very motivating, and thank you so much for taking out time on this particular day and coming on to our talk show. We are so pleased that we could have your company here. Thank you so much, KKG.
Thank you so much. Anybody sitting on the fence, I am open to talk to him and show that what advantage or how he will be benefited by becoming president of the club. We have done in our club, and particularly let me add it, in 14-15 after my president, there was queue in my club for next 4-5 years that we are ready for this year and that year. So how to basically guide them and handle them, it's important. So I'm there for your support, for club support, for district support on this particular this matter.
Thank you so much, KK. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.